completely collapsed along with any resistance they had left to fight the war? Battle of the Bulge. Very good. Battle of the Bulge. Josh, where did the Allied army and Russian forces meet that swept the German countryside clean, leading to Adolf Hitler's suicide? I don't know if the fishing would be any good there.
Elbe River.
The Elbe River, very good. What was the name of Adolf Hitler's empire that lasted only 12 years?
1,000-Year Reich.
The 1,000-Year Reich. Dalton, what historic event occurred on May 8th, 1945, and what was its official name? So the first part of the question is, what event occurred
German surrender to Allies.
in Europe? And what was the official name?
VE
VE Day. Very good. Macklin, other than 6 million Jewish people killed in the Holocaust, list one example of undesirables that were put to death in concentration camps in Germany and Poland. Gypsies. Give me another one, Brady.
Polish people. You said that when we were taking the notes. Okay. Homosexuals.
Okay.
I don't know what you said.
Hunter
Slavs.
from Yugoslavia.
Yes.
Delaney. What?
People of color, but like Brady.
Poles from Poland. There we go.
No,
You doubted yourself.
I did. You looked at me like I was dumb, so I felt like I was dumb.
I look at you like that all the time. That doesn't mean you're dumb. You're going to need to know 2 of those. Okay, Kayla, name one of the concentration camps that was mentioned in the lecture on the Holocaust. Name one. What are you going to say?
God damn it! Don't say that one.
Go ahead.
Auschwitz.
Auschwitz, yeah, right. How about the other one, Emily?
Alright, you gotta do this.
Got your own.
I was trying to help, okay?
I know, Dave, nice job. Sacrifice yourself for the best of both. Auschwitz, and what's the other one? If you blink, you'll see it in your notes. You just don't blink, it might go right past you. Might be in your handout, I believe.
It's not.
On the handout I gave you, one of it is.
Yeah, Auschwitz.
And then another one too.
No, it's not. Where? It says.
Emily's gonna buy me a Diet Pepsi when Kasia answers this correctly.
Huh?
Go ahead, Kasia.
Treblinka.
Treblinka.
I am not finding how
Very
to
good.
spell that.
Treblinka.
Where's it at?
It's on that handout I gave you on that
Oh
Holocaust.
my goodness. That's...
Ivan,
Oh, biscuits.
of approximately 220,000 Jewish immigrants accepted in the United States, England, and Latin America during World War II, what percentage were allowed in the United States? Of approximately 220,000 Jewish immigrants accepted in the United States, England, and Latin America during World War II, what percentage were allowed in the United States? Come on, Albert Einstein, mathematician here. How many were, out of the 220,000, how many were allowed in the United States?
I don't think we went over this.
Oh, we didn't!
No, but you told me the number.
Well, I think we did.
You didn't give us a
You
percentage.
gave us the number.
Well, let's increase your knowledge.
21,000 was allowed.
Well, it's almost like handout.
Yes, I believe I read it to you.
Oh, you're trying to get
Let's see here.
So it was like
100,000 for the United States, 80,000 for England, and 40,000 for Latin America. So 100,000. Who's got a calculator on? Nobody better. So I'll go back to my non-technological, non-cell phone calculator here, desktop style. And the answer to that question is 45.5%. There you go. 45.5%. Now, you never know, tomorrow I may ask the other one. Who knows? Let's see. You get the gist, right? Okay.
How much percent?
45.5 for America, but who knows whether that will be.
You asked that question, you didn't know the answer.
No, that's why I did it with you. As I've told you many times, in many places, I am a perfect example of how you can be a stunning success in life and have no mathematical skills whatsoever. All right, here we go. Last question. Morgan, give me one. Oh, let me read. I'll read the question to you. I'll be fair. Other than the Soviet Union annexing eastern Poland and the creation of the United Nations, name one of the two other agreements between the Big Three in Yalta in February of 1945 concerning Europe after World War II. Give me one, Morgan.
You say concerning Europe,
Yeah.
that German territories would be divided into
For what?
occupational
Groups. Zones, excuse me. German territory would be divided into 4 occupation zones. What's the last one, Caitlin? Other than,
Yeah.
okay,
Helping the allies
Who?
in Russia will help that one.
in the Pacific, the Russia would join the Allies against Japan in the Pacific theater of the war. Exactly right. Okay, anybody have any questions on this at all? We will meet tomorrow in the Commons. We will take this test, and then we will move on to the Pacific theater of World War II, which is an incredible story in itself.